Dr. Zafra. I am an aesthetic doctor in the UK. I have a clinic based in Bristol, Zafra Medical. My experience and background is a bachelor degree in medicine in Mexico City, and then I have a master's degree in aesthetics and anti-aging from the University of Barcelona. Meanwhile I was doing that, I was also qualified as a specialist in general practice. In the UK, I am registered as a GP, and I have the clinic in aesthetic medicine. Through the interest of my patients researching for hair transplant, I started researching myself. So I found online there's a huge, vast disinformation about hair transplant in Turkey, and so I had to take my time to review all of the options. I found that Acibadem had the best quality service, and it's a huge hospital group, so I think I was really confident since the beginning to choose Acibadem. Since the beginning, I was really greatly surprised because we arrived at the airport. There's a specific little lounge there for you. We were taken to a hotel fantastic too. This is all managed by Acibadem. We were taken on a tour for the different hospitals. They are all amazing. It's like luxury hotels combined with medical services. So it was a huge surprise because you don't find this in Europe. I mean, I have quite an international experience, Mexico, UK, US, France, and I have not seen this type of level of quality in the hospitals. It's amazing. I've decided to go for hair transplant. Yes, as you can see, I'm on the second day, so it's actually quite exciting. I've seen that from all the people that are around in Istanbul. You see a lot of people having that same procedure done, and there is a huge differences. Even some people that were staying in the hotel had said, "Oh my God, like, where did you get it done? You look really great. Look, my son had it done, and he looks terrible. You look great." I'm like, well, with plastic surgeons, experts in this. Look, this is the first day. I'm really happy with it. I have no pain. There's no swelling. And he's like, "Can I get your card and hit in their card?" I'm like, "Well, of course, here it is." Contact them, contact me if you want to have a chat about how it is, if you want to know firsthand, if it's painful, know my experience. So in any moment I was not nervous or scared or in pain. Literally, it was actually quite straightforward. Although it is a lengthy process, it is a few hours, and I'm talking about probably in most cases over 5 hours, and it will depend on each person, I imagine. But yes, it's actually fine.
I'm Dr. Samper. I'm an aesthetic surgeon. I'm working in Acibadem in about 1 year. Mostly of our patients from Europe came to us for asking for hair implantation. Beside of hair implantation, we do lots of aesthetic surgery, and that's because we are in a university hospital. We also do reconstructive surgery and head and neck surgery, and etc. Today's guest is very special because he's one of my colleagues. He searched for us, he found us, he came us, and we tried to do our best to him. Me as myself and as my team. I think he's so happy right now, and in the future he will be glad with his new hairs. And we hope to see you in our city also. Most of the questions we heard about our patients for hair implantation is the graft count. Actually, graft count depends on from patient to patient. It depends on how the donor area is big or small. For the big heads with large donor sites, we try not to excess 5,000 grafts, but most of the people like me, you can gain in about 40,000 mostly. We try to stay in the safety corner when we do our surgeries to not having complications. So it's better to stay in the safe position to push the limits. And this is why our patients are happy for us. We took 3,300 grafts for Mr. Zafra and implant the open areas.